Does it not? Does it not show up? It doesn't show up, right? That's what I thought. It should show up in Via, right? Does it show up in Via? What's the best way to test this then? Yours is never shown? Oh. How do I test the layer input? Teach me. Oh, like... Oh, now it's showing. Okay. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Alright, so it's all working. It's all working! Awesome. First try, right? Technically? Something like Right, now the second hurdle is figuring out the stacked acrylic case. Bingo bongos. Anyone else enter the Bongo Cat raffle today? I never win those. Your name reminded me. He does, yeah. Name is Sam. The dog named Penny. I'm glad I got the discipline case from him. I'm looking real forward to it. The board you worked so hard on. How long did you spend on that again? Long time, right? Nine hours. Holy. So. Actually, did I use one from here? I feel like I didn't. Right? At least you learned a lot, right? About the lessons you learned along the way. Something cheesy like that, right? My biggest hurdle most recently was a keyboard that did not take USB-C. Instead it was mini USB. But they're all too This one. Oh, I guess I could put this up. I guess the next thing we need to think about is which keycaps that we put on this as a placeholder. I have jellies. I have Vileplume. I have Astrolochies. I technically have Peaches and Cream. I don't mind like throwing that on there.